The electric wagon segment just got more interesting with Volkswagen's new ID.7 Tourer. Today we're taking a deep dive into this spacious electric estate to see if it lives up to the hype. I'm your host, and this is our comprehensive review of the 2025 ID.7 Tourer. Let's start with the basics. The ID.7 Tourer is Volkswagen's latest addition to their growing electric lineup, and it's bringing something unique to the table. While everyone else is busy making electric crossovers, Volkswagen has given us a proper wagon with some impressive stats. Under the floor sits a massive 86 kilowatt-hour battery, good for up to 424 miles of range on the WLTP cycle. That's seriously impressive, making this one of the longest-range EVs you can buy today. Power comes from a rear-mounted electric motor, producing 282 horsepower and 402 pound-feet of torque. Sure, the 0 to 62 time of 6.7 seconds won't set your hair on fire, but this car isn't about straight-line speed. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the premium feel. Volkswagen has clearly learned from the criticism of earlier ID models. The materials are top-notch, and the new 15-inch touchscreen is a massive improvement. The front seats even come with standard massage functions. Fancy. But here's where things get really interesting. The ID.7 Tourer is absolutely massive inside. Thanks to its lengthy wheelbase, rear passengers get more legroom than in some luxury cars. Pop open the tailgate and you'll find over 21 cubic feet of cargo space, which expands to nearly 69 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. That's more than many electric SUVs offer. Out on the road, the ID.7 Tourer proves itself to be an excellent long-distance cruiser. The cabin is whisper quiet, and with the optional adaptive dampers, the ride quality is exceptional. Wind noise is virtually non-existent, and even the tires seem to whisper rather than roar. Now, it's not all perfect. The touch-sensitive controls for climate and volume are still annoying to use, and you only get 2 levels of regenerative braking. There's also no front trunk, which seems like a missed opportunity for extra storage space. And despite the impressive range, you'll need to pay extra for a heat pump, which feels a bit stingy at this price point. Speaking of price, our Pro S-Match test car starts at £55,200 in the UK. That's not cheap, but it's significantly less than premium alternatives like the BMW i5 Touring, while offering similar and in some cases better capabilities. If you need more performance, there's a GTX version available with dual motors, all-wheel drive, and 335 horsepower. It'll hit 62 in 5.5 seconds, but honestly, the standard rear-drive model feels plenty quick for family duties. Charging capabilities are solid, with 200 kilowatt DC fast charging getting you from 10 to 80% in 26 minutes. While some competitors charge faster, the ID.7's longer range means fewer charging stops on long trips. So, what's our verdict? The ID.7 Tourer might not be the most exciting electric car on the market, but it's arguably one of the most practical and well-rounded. It combines impressive range, refined comfort, and massive cargo space in a package that feels premium and well executed. If you're looking for a family EV that can handle both daily duties and long-distance travel with ease, this should definitely be on your shortlist. The biggest disappointment? It's not coming to the US market anytime soon. Volkswagen has postponed the launch indefinitely, citing concerns about the cooling EV market. That's a shame, because this is exactly the kind of practical, long-range EV that could convince more families to make the switch to electric. What do you think about the ID.7 Tourer? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more EV reviews, and we'll see you in the next one. Copy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.